Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to book Uber cab. So first of all, launch Uber app and make sure that you are logged on to your account. Now at the bottom you can see the option of services. Tap on it. Now over here select the option of ride. Now after this you have to select your pickup location and your destination. Here we go. Now, after selecting your locations, you can simply see various options given here. You can select any of these cab options according to your preference. You can also add a payment method and choose comfort. After you have chosen a cab, simply tap on the option of choose black, and that option depends upon the cab that you have selected. Now after this, you have to select your precise location. Choose a pickup area and then simply tap on the option of next that you see at the bottom. Now confirm the pickup spot as well, and then simply tap on the option of confirm pickup, and then your Uber cab will arrive to you within a few minutes. And that's how simply you book an Uber cab. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.